ECE-23 Performance Task Number 10 by Raymond Lorca, BS ECE-3A. System 7 or SS7 is a set of telephony signaling protocols that are used to set up most of the world's public switch telephone network or PSTN telephone calls. SS7 primarily sets up and tears down telephone calls, but other uses include number translation, prepaid billing mechanisms, local number portability, short message service, and a variety of mass market services. SS7 was first adopted as an international standard in 1988, and the latest revision of the standard was in 1993. It is still the current standard for telephone calls and is in use for both landline and mobile phone service all the way up to and including 5G. All signaling system 7 as a 7 architecture is this. Okay, from database going to service control point, and the SCP will send to PSTN, and also the SSP will send on PSTN. Then the PSTN will distribute it on the STPs, and STPs will send on SSP going to the user. Okay. What are the SSP, STP, and SCP signaling system nodes? There are three main types of signaling nodes in a SS7 network: service switching points (SSPs), signal transfer points (STPs), and service control points (SCPs). SSPs originate or terminate a call and are the initial point on the SS7 network. The control signal are routed through various STPs, which operate as interconnected switches on the SS7 network. The SCPs determine how to route a call or set up and manage some special features. SCPs and STPs usually exist as a collection of discrete nodes so that service can continue if one network point fails. The SCPs may also communicate with a service data point, which stores the user's database and directory. The signaling link between nodes generally operate at full duplex 56 or 64 kilobits per second bandwidth, with large facilities using a full T1 line at 1.536 megabits per second for signaling link. SS7 network and protocol are used for basic call setup, management, and teardown. Wireless services such as Personal Communication Service or PCS, wireless roaming, and mobile subscriber authentication, local number portability or LNP, toll-free 800 or 888, and toll 900, wireline services, enhanced call features such as call forwarding, call party name or number display, and three-way calling. Efficient and secure worldwide telecommunication and SMS or short message service. Signaling System 7, the protocol that is used in the signaling network is called Signaling System 7 or SS7. It is very similar to the five-layer internet model, but the layer have different names. Okay, so here are the layers in SS7. Okay, first is the physical layer. Here, physical layer, MTP level 1, the physical layer in SS7 called message transport part or MTP level 1 uses several physical layer specifications such as T1 1.544 megabits per second and DCA of 64 kilobits per second. Data link layer, which is the level MTP level 2, excuse me, MTP level 2. The MTP level 2 layer provides typical data link layer services such as packetizing using source and destination address in the packet header, the CRC, and CRC for error checking. Network layer MTP level 3. Here in level 3, where it's network layer level 3. The MTP level 3 layer provides end-to-end connectivity by using a datagram approach to switching. Routers and switches route the signal packets from the source of the destination. Okay, transport layer or SCCP, the signaling connection control point SSC or SCCP is used for special services such as SAO call processing, upper upper layer, okay, and upper layer, TUP, TCAP, and ISUP. There are three protocols at the upper layer: telephone user port or TUP is responsible for setting up voice calls. It receives the dial digits and routes the call. Transaction Capability Application Port or TCAP provides remote calls that let an application program on a computer invoke a procedure on another computer. ISDN user port or ISUP can replace TUP to provide service similar to those of the ISDN network. SS7 Conclusion. SS7 is a set of telephony signaling protocols that are used to set up most of the world public switch telephone network PSTN telephone calls. There are three main types of signaling nodes in a SS7 network: service switching point or SSPs, signal transfer points or STPs, and service control points or SCPs. Layers in SS7 are physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, and upper layers. That's all. Thank you.